You slept for 8 hours. You didn't do anything stressful yesterday. And yet, you still wake up feeling tired. Like no matter how much you rest, it's never enough. Why is that? What most people don't realize is being tired isn't just about lacking sleep. There are actually 7 types of rest we need: physical, mental, sensory, emotional, social, creative, and spiritual. And the problem is, most of us only focus on physical rest. We sleep, we lie down, but we ignore the mental and emotional exhaustion that quietly builds up. Every single day, our brain is overstimulated. You scroll through endless videos, you switch between apps, you keep thinking about your to-do list, your worries, your insecurities, and even when you're supposed to be resting, your brain never really gets quiet. That's why you feel tired. You're not lazy, you're just mentally overloaded. Let's be honest, we confuse distraction with rest. Binge watching a show, scrolling for hours, checking messages nonstop. That's not rest. That's numbing. And the more we do it, the more we drain our minds, even if our bodies are lying still. So what can you do? Take intentional mental breaks, even just 10 minutes without screens or tasks. Try digital detoxing. 1 hour offline before bed can work wonders. Practice restorative rest, like journaling, nature walks, or simply sitting in silence. Most importantly, allow yourself to do nothing. True rest is when your mind, not just your body, can finally breathe. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're just tired in a world that never stops moving. Take a breath. Slow down. Give yourself the kind of rest you truly need.